Waterlogging can cause serious problems for any motorcycle, so here's a few tips that you can use to keep yours safe. During the rainy season, keep your motorcycle on a high and secure surface. Make sure that the rising waters don't get to the level of your exhaust, but if they do, don't try and start your motorcycle either with the self or with the kickstart, but instead call Royal Enfield's roadside assistance for support on 1800 2100 007. If you're out on your motorcycle, avoid deep waters. Anything over your silencer could cause problems. But if you really must cross the water, consider walking it first to ensure that there are no large stones, dips, or other obstacles that may cause problems. When you do approach the water crossing, make sure you have enough momentum to carry you through, but not so much that you end up splashing water up into the air intake system of your motorcycle. Avoid letting the water go over your exhaust. While crossing, if the engine stalls, it's best not to try and start the motorcycle, but rather call roadside assist, as a single start could cause damage to the engine or electrical system and cost you more money to fix. And finally, don't forget to keep an eye on your motorcycle's chain. Make sure that it's lubricated after each wash or heavy water crossing. Use Royal Enfield's chain cleaner and lubricant spray for the best results. So hopefully these few tips will help keep your motorcycle safe from damage by waterlogging and always ready to ride.